Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today I'm going to talk about Yum Brands, Kentucky Fried Chicken, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell. About 3 weeks ago, I decided to invest in Yum Brands, thinking it might dip before climbing back up. Let me show you the chart. We're looking at a trading view chart, ticker symbol YUM, and we're looking at the weekly chart, where each bar is a week's worth of data. And about 3 weeks ago, I thought that this stock was going to reach its top and was going to go down. But that's not what happened. This stock is going up and had a pretty good week this week. I placed a bet and sold a call. It was a 160 call. And that is, I'm betting that it will go down. When you sell a call, it's a short type situation. In other words, I didn't ever think it's going to go past 161. And that's based on the fact that a 1-year price target for this stock is about 150. Without spoiling the rest of the briefing, I think I'm pretty safe that it's not going to go above that. I'm still confident. And this bet goes out to June, the end of June. Now, I don't know about you, but I've been not going out to eat as much as I used to. My parents own restaurants, so I love to go out to eat, but I'm just not going out. And I'm looking around our little town of Gloucester, and I see in the evenings, Wednesday, Thursday, empty restaurants like Wendy's, Burger King, Kentucky Fried Chicken. We have no Pizza Hut. McDonald's is even looking a little empty on these days. Saturdays look okay for McDonald's. I think restaurants are in trouble for a lot of reasons, and I think Yum is facing some headwinds. Now, the analysts think that Yum is going to be hovering about where it's at. And I agree with the analysts that there's a chance of a 3 to 4% pullback. And I think it's going to happen before June. Again, I'm negative on restaurants for a lot of reasons, tipping and things of that nature, high rents, high labor, high food costs, inflationary trends, lots of reasons. The stock is trading around $155 and it could drop to $150 within the year. Not a lot, but I have a feeling it's going to go down a lot more. But it appears I'm wrong so far. Let me show you the chart again. Currently trading at 155, expecting to be traded around in this area here. And I have a feeling it's going to hit the 140 line. Look, this is where it's been trading quite regularly. This stock seems to want to hang between 130 and 140. I'll say it again. I think restaurants in general are going to have a lot of headwinds they're facing. Inflation, tipping. Some people say you should tip up to 30%. The high restaurant rates. The other day I ate out and got a surcharge for eggs. And in our area, we have 3 different sales taxes that exceed 11%, which is higher than New York City's food tax. I hope you agree that the restaurant industry is definitely facing some challenges. And I'd probably go this same direction for McDonald's and Wendy's, ticker symbol WEN. I'll never know why the restaurants are having a labor problem. I mean, that was one of my first jobs, working in a restaurant. Well, at least there's plenty of jobs for the laid off government workers. Yum Brands owns KFC, which I haven't ate in 2 years, Taco Bell, which I haven't ate in 10 years, and we have no Pizza Huts in our area in Virginia. And I've never heard of Habit Burger. Well, everybody knows that Pizza Hut has struggled against Domino's and Little Caesars, and they've closed a lot of existing Pizza Huts. Taco Bell seems to do good. I guess it doesn't cost much to build a taco. Must be high profit. Now, this is something I didn't know. The company is investing heavily in digital ordering and AI to improve efficiency. And I think all the restaurants are doing that. The big box stores, anyway, not the little mom and pops. Now, we have property in China. But I can tell you, wasn't aware of Yum operating in China. We live in Kunming, have some property there. My wife was a Chinese eye surgeon, and we go back regularly. But I didn't know Yum Brands was in China. I know Starbucks is. I know KFC is. I guess I do. I guess I did too. I think Burger King is in trouble. Even Wendy's is having some issues. And McDonald's, as I said, they have empty lobbies and empty restaurants on the weekdays. Weekends, McDonald's is doing pretty good yet. We have a new Chipotle's, and I've never been in it. I'm older. I think this is a younger crowd here. Now, you might not recognize Yum, but you recognize Kentucky Fried Chicken and Taco Bell. Those are brands that everybody knows. So that might help weather the storm a bit, that brand recognition. Be interested to see what the earnings report says, and I'll be keeping an eye out. For now, I'm holding my position. Let's take a look at that chart one more time. The next earnings is somewhere in April, at the end of April, and I would hope that this is going to drop before that. I'll get antsy if it stays up here, because you never know which way earnings is going to go, especially for a stock. In summary, I think that restaurants all over the United States and in the world are facing a lot of headwinds. And in America, more and more people are eating at home. They're eating more nutritious meals. They're not eating fast food. These are all factors that could impact Yum's price. I think it's coming down. I thought it was coming down back here, and it went up. Well, what do you think? Am I right? Is this stock going to come down a little bit into my win area? That's the green here. Or is it going to continue going up? If you look at the indicators, this is on a trend up. For now, I'm holding my position. So that's all I've got for you. Please like and subscribe, and remember to do your own due diligence. Trading is hard. You have to make decisions. I'm deciding to hold this losing trade. Currently, I'm down based on this selling this call. I am showing a loss of $283. So if I close out the trade today, I'd be losing $283. But if it stays in this area here and expires below 160, I stand to win $541. Wish me luck, happy trading, and we'll catch you on the flip.